Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a beautiful button charm bracelet using a big bag of buttons that I picked up at a thrift store. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make a button charm bracelet. PicMonkey is a free online photo editing program that's easy to use to create sheets of circular images like these. Hole punches come in all different sizes, and for this project I'm using a 1-inch circular punch, which makes this process so much easier. Let the triple thick dry for at least 24 hours before you start assembling the bracelet. My buttons are all the same size, but you could definitely use different sizes for this project. I'm going to leave a link in the description to everything I used for this project, plus a link to the images I used. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I will see you next week. Bye.